Okay, so one final thing in the Google Apps setup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up mail forwarding, or as they're called in Google Apps, nicknames. So if you go to manage this domain, I'll show you what I mean. So go into organization and users. You can see that we've got two Alistairs, Alistair McDermott and Alistair McBride. Now sometimes this can be a little bit confusing for us and for other people. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create nicknames or forwarding addresses for each of us. So for Alistair McDermott, I'm going to add the nickname AMD. So that's a kind of a shortcut that I use for myself. I'm going to save those changes. I'm going to go back and I'm going to edit Alistair McBride, and for him I'm going to add MCB for McB. So those are two kind of different sounding nicknames. So now we have two different users with different nicknames, AMD and MCB, so that we can use those as well as a shortcut. And what that means is that any email that goes to amd@selfassemblysites.com will automatically get forwarded to my address here, alistair@selfassemblysites.com, and equivalently any email that comes into mcb@selfassemblysites.com will get forwarded to Alistair with an I. Okay, so that's how you set up mail forwarding. If we want to set up other nicknames, for example, we want to set up info@, and info@ will now go to Alistair McDermott, and I'll go and edit Alistair McBride and say, for example, we want to say sales@. So what this does is this creates nicknames, or mail forwarding as is known in other systems, where all of the email that's received at any of these forwarding addresses goes straight to the original email address. So that's just a nice handy way of setting up kind of mail aliases within the Google Apps system.